If you're watching World Cup, you know that Curacao just finished playing Ivory Coast. We're so proud of Curacao. We made it so far, and you know what? In 4 years, we're gonna be back at it, and we're going to rock your world. Growing up in Curacao, one thing is you're always walking barefoot around your house. There's no like put your shoes on. I think that's a big difference now that I live in America. I've been living here for 7 years now. Another thing is that speaking 4 languages was normal. Until I moved to America, everyone was shocked. Like, how do you speak 4 languages? Even applying for a job, you have to have 4 languages. There's no questions about it. Another thing, growing up in Curacao, living in Ser'í Mahuma, this was the Ceru I had to walk, cliff, I guess you would say, to go get a bus to work. This, yeah, I had to walk this down.